Hi guys, how are you? I'm Karina Vega and I'm gonna show you how to make a sleeveless blouse like this one right here. You'll need a stretch fabric because we won't add any zipper or buttons or anything to put it on. So it needs to stretch. This design of blouse is one of the first designs we learn how to make when we are learning how to sew. I hope you like the video and you find it useful and you can make the blouse. Please give me a thumbs up, a comment below, and share the video. I'll leave you the link for the pattern in the description and also the links for my social media. Let's go to the tutorial now. Begin cutting the back side of the blouse. Using different seam allowances. We need to mark 1 centimeter on the shoulders and 3 centimeters at the hemline. Cut the sides and the neckline with no seam allowance. To cut the front size, we need to cut the pattern like this. We are going to mark the same seam allowances. Notice that we have a small armhole clip, so it fits properly. Once we have our 2 pieces, we are going to join them on the shoulders. After that, we need to sew the sides. We measure the armhole and cut using the whole armhole measure plus 2 centimeters by 4 centimeters. Join each piece and fold them like this. Place each piece in each armhole. Sew the pieces around each armhole. And now we are going to do the same with the neck. Only it's going to be just 1 piece. I accommodated the neck differently than the armholes. You can make the armholes this way if you find it easier. What I did was place right side with right side. Sew this, then fold the neck this way. And sew again. To make the hemline, you need to fold twice and then sew. And that's it, we have a new sleeveless blouse.